Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can see who viewed your profile on TikTok. So without further ado, let's begin. To start, open your TikTok app and then go to your profile page. Now right here on your profile page, you can see at the top this icon. Just tap on that. It will then direct you to this page where you can see who views your profile. You can see right here the list of the account that viewed my profile. You can choose to follow them or ignore them if you want. You can also disable this feature on TikTok. To do that, just tap on the settings icon and then tap on this button to disable this feature. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.